In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your product backlog and sprints using Asana. This guide will walk you through setting up an efficient system to keep your team organized and on track. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about setting up your product backlog in Asana. This is essentially a prioritized list where you'll collect all of your features, bug fixes, and improvements. To start building this, you'll need to create a dedicated backlog project within Asana. Head over to the Asana website at www.asana.com. Once there, log in to access your dashboard. If you're new and don't have an account yet, you can simply click on Get Started or Try for Free to begin. Once you're in, it's beneficial to use the list view. This allows for better organization of your tasks and ideas. Next, you'll want to add specific sections to your backlog project. Some useful sections might include new ideas, requests, to do, in progress, and finally, completed. This way you can easily track the status of each task at a glance. After setting up your sections, it's time to add tasks to your backlog. Each feature or improvement you need should have its own dedicated task. When creating these tasks, take advantage of the task description field to provide as many details as necessary. Enhance organization by assigning labels or tags like high priority, bug fix, or feature request. Don't forget to add due dates for each task to help your team manage time effectively. To round off each task, attach any relevant files and documents directly within Asana. Now that your backlog is all set, it's time to plan and organize your sprints. Sprints are essential for breaking down work into manageable iterations, typically ranging from 1 to 4 weeks. To facilitate this, you'll want to create a separate sprint board. Using the board view, you can implement a Kanban-style workflow, which is excellent for visualizing task progress. This board should have columns such as backlog, where you pull tasks from your backlog project, to do for current sprint tasks, in progress, review, and done. Sprint planning is crucial, so select high priority tasks from your backlog and assign them to team members, ensuring they have clear deadlines. Complex tasks can be broken down into subtasks, and setting up dependencies can help maintain a smooth workflow. Finally, tracking progress and execution is key. Asana's workload view offers a fantastic way to keep an eye on individual team members' workloads, ensuring no one is overwhelmed and everyone is contributing efficiently. With these steps, you'll have a robust system for managing your backlog and sprints in Asana, fostering better productivity and collaboration among your team. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.